What's the best way to turn your online following into actual cash? I got 2 words for you: affiliate marketing. Hey there, it's Leah here from Printify. Now that 80% of brands offer affiliate marketing programs as part of an $8.2 billion industry, it's time for you to get in on it too. Lucky for you, we're going to show you how. Whether it's your social media, blog, or YouTube channel racking up all that engagement, or your enthusiasm about the world of e-commerce and print on demand, affiliate marketing is the obvious next step to growing your income. Why is that? Simply because it involves absolutely no risk to you. Think about that for a sec. Just refer someone to Printify and take your cut of all of their sales for 1 whole year. Simple, right? Here's how it works. Sign up for the partnership, share a unique promo code with your audience through all your great content, encourage your following to sell their products with Printify, and every time they do, you get paid. That's it. Only question now is, why aren't you doing this already? Don't worry, we'll show you exactly what you need to do to get started. If you're completely new to Printify, check out this video to learn what we're all about. But in short, we help people become their own boss by selling custom printed products. Our affiliate program is unique because you aren't getting paid for referring someone only once. You get paid every month for every sale they make, and there's no cap on how much. Start by signing up at printify.com/affiliate. Select Apply Now to fill out the form. It's completely free and takes 2 days for us to approve. Then, share your affiliate link and engage your audience to sign up with Printify. It's important here to educate your audience about why POD is going to work best for them, like how you can start an online business without any major investments, going from earning a little extra to potentially becoming your main income source, or more importantly, taking control of your life and being your own boss. Once they do, you earn 5% for every product they sell from their store for the next 12 months. Your referral rewards will get paid out every 13th of the month through PayPal or Stripe. So if one store makes $3,000 in sales, for example, you get an easy $150. But the more stores you refer, the larger that monthly commission gets. It's all up to you. We know what you're thinking. There has to be more to it than that. Well, if you're thinking about signing up, we're ready to answer all the questions you have. Leave us a comment below or send us an email to book your call with a Printify expert. We'll have your affiliate marketing program up and running in no time. And to stay on top of all the latest in e-commerce and improving your online store, like this video and subscribe to Printify.